Hi, today I'll be showing you how to create your first Cortex Command community project mod within 5 minutes. Start off by opening your game directory, then clicking the coalition.rte folder, hitting Ctrl C to copy it, Ctrl V to paste it, and then renaming it to mymod.rte, and it has to end at .rte. If you now open the game, you'll see the error message, mymod.rte does not specify a supported Cortex Command version, so it is not compatible with this version of Cortex Command. So this error means that the mod didn't specify which game version it is for, and in this case it should be specifying pre-release 4.0, but in your case this will be different, so remember what it says right here for you. Okay, so we're going to edit the mod so it includes the version, and we're going to do that by going to vscode.dev, opening the folder of the mod, and opening index.ini, which is where the game will start looking at your mod, and this is where all the metadata about your mod is. So yes, save changes, add the line supported game version equals pre-release 4.0 in my case, but again this will be different for you. Hit Ctrl S to save it, and if you now boot the game, you can hit space to skip the intro. Go into one of the scenarios, and you'll see two copies of Coalition, one up here, one down here. The bottom one is yours. So we're going to edit it so it isn't a simple copy. Just start off by changing the name and the description. Hit Ctrl S to save it. Now we're going to do something fun, like changing one of the weapons to be very, very overpowered. Open ubercannon.ini. There's a whole lot of text here, but you can minimize it all by just hitting Ctrl K and then Ctrl 0. And now you can open the lines like they're folders. So click here and go down to rate of fire and bump it up, and reload time set it to 0. Hit Ctrl S, and if you want you can expand the lines again with Ctrl K, Ctrl J, but that doesn't matter. Now you can close it, and now we're going to replace all references of coalition.rte with mymod.rte. Done. And in order to make the booting faster, so you don't have to look at the startup, you can just go to here, File, Open File, go to base.rte, settings.ini, Open. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see default activity settings. Launch into activity is 0. You're going to set that to 1. Hit Ctrl S to save it, and the default activity type, etc. This can be customized, but I've chosen this, so launch into Catanot Hills in Skirmish Defense. And if we now open the game, we'll be booted right into the scenario. And you'll see my mod, this is my first mod. If you grab the Uber Cannon, very chaotic. So now you've made your first mod, and of course it's still pretty much a copy of Coalition, but that's fine. You can start removing files, you can start adding files. It's all basically just down to ini. You don't need to learn Lua. Lua is just for the advanced stuff. Ini is pretty much the bread and butter of the game. And once you want to start spriting, you want to probably use GIMP, and I'll make a tutorial for that next time. So if you need any help, you can visit the Discord server, and good luck and have fun.